x plus y is equals to 14 and xy is 48. Anyone want to give it a try? Please, if you're joining here, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and comment. Thank you. Just want to finish up this one. Probably we're going to do for a few moments. So we are given x plus y is equals to 14, and we are also given xy is equals to 48. So what we are going to do here now, let's try to get to know x. So we say x is equals to 14 minus y. So now we are going to substitute the value of x in this equation, which is x, y equals to 48. So let's say anywhere you see x, you put y, 14 minus y. So let's say 14 minus y equals to 48. Make sense? Make sense? So we have to expand the brackets. 14 times y, we have 14y minus, so we have y square equals to 48. Make sense? So let's move y to the opposite side to make it positive. So we have y square. When we move 14 to the other side, it becomes negative 14y, and our 48 still remain positive 48. So basically we have, from this now we have y square minus 14y plus 48. So what are the factors of 48 that either way we minus or we add will give us 14y? So let's say 8 and 6. The factors of 48 that either way we do, we minus, we subtract, or we add. So we have y square minus 8y minus 6y plus 48, right? So what we are doing here now is we are going to what? Factor the whole thing. So we are going to do factorization to factor 8. Please, if you're here for the very first time, don't forget to like, share, and share with your friends, please. So we have y into y minus 8, then minus 6, y minus 8. So you see this one and this one is still the same. So we're gonna factor out, which is y minus 8 y minus 6. So is that the final answer? No, that is not the final answer. So what are we going to do now is, since this is all equals to 0, so it means that y can either be 6 or 8. But now the question says, which is the smaller number? So we have to just the small one, since 8 is larger than 6, so probably 6 is the smaller number, right? So our answer is B, 6. 6 is the smaller number. All right, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Rectangle parameter 30, length 3 more than the width. What is the width? Anyone want to give a guess? Maths lovers, this involves critical thinking. You have to unlock your mind. Maths lovers, please share with your friends. I need engagements. I need engagement. So here, since we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus W, right? So this is the formula for the perimeter. So now it says the length 3 more than the width. So L is equals to W plus 3. So this is what this one means now. This one. So what do we have to do here now is we find the value of L in this equation. So since we already know P is equals to 2L plus W, so it's gonna be as 2 into W plus 3, right, plus W equals to 30. So we have to expand. So we'll say 2W plus 6. So this has to go all through. 2W equals to 30. So we bring the common factors together. So we have 4W plus 6 equals to 30. So what do we do? 4W equals to 30 minus 20 minus 6. So we have 4W is equals to 24. To find W, we go with 4. We go with 4, 4, 4, 4. So W is equals to 6. Make sense? We go to the next one. Twice a number plus 5 is 17. What's the number? Twice a number plus 5 is 17. What's the number? If you're joining for the very first time, please don't forget to click on the like button, follow my page, and share with your friends. Thank you as you do so. So let's say the number or the unknown number we don't know is x. Right? Or we say n. We can even decide to say it's n. Let's say it's n. And they say twice. So 2n, right? Plus 5 is 17. So it's very easy. 2n plus 5 is equals to 17. Let's rewrite it down. So what we're going to do now is that because we want to find n, so we have 2n is equals to 17 minus 5, right? So this is 12 to n. So we divide 2 like this. So this is equals to 6. N is equals to 6. Make sense? Make sense?
No distance can tear us apart. You'll always live inside my heart. If the world turns again,
X squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So now what should come to our mind is, what are the factors of 6 that when we add or we subtract will give us this amount? We look at this one. Okay, so we have 2 and 3. So what do we have here now? We have x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. It's still the same. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So we're gonna factor it out. Factorization, x into x. This will give us this. Minus 3 minus 2x, because this one is positive, so it has to be minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 will give us plus 6. Factorize out. X minus 3, x minus 2. Is that the final answer? No. So x can either be 2 and 3.
covers my heart, holding on to what used to be, but it's slipping slowly away.
This one is very easy. X squared minus 9 is equals to 0. So what we're gonna do is x squared is equals to 9. So we move x to the other side is equals to square root of 9. So x is equals to 3.
The nights are colder, the silence feels too loud. I walk through the crowd, but you're not around. The touch of your hand feels like yesterday, but the years keep pushing it.
So we have x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. So what are the factors of 12? And when you either add or minus will give you this. So we have 4 and 3. 4, 3. So we say x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. X into x minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x minus 4, x minus 3, 0. So x can either be 3 or 4, but with the x larger, so it's 4. Thank you. Thank you for sharing with your friends. Thank you. So how do we solve this one? I need interaction. So since the area is 24, the length is this and the width is this. So what is the equation? This is the main question now. What is the question? So area is equals to 24 and we know L is equals to x plus 2, and we also know W is equals to x, right? So as we know the formula is area equals to L times W. So what do? We already know the area, right? This one, this one, this one. So it's equals to 24 is equals to this one, right? You replace L wherever you see L, you put x plus 2, right, times x, which is this one. So what do we do now? We just like try to rearrange it. 24 is equals to x into x plus 2 is still the same. So we have 24, we have x squared plus 2x. But is that the final answer? No, of course not. That is not the final answer. So we have to move 24 to the other side. So we have, I'm not sure if my screen is visible. Okay, my screen is visible. So we have to move it to the other side. So we'll say x squared plus 2x minus 24, which is a equals to 0.
Just a fading memory, soft and distant energy.
Very easy, yeah? X squared is equals to 49. X is equals to the root of 49. 7